Coaching is like a room in a house, and I'm going to tell you about 3 things you can find in that room. These 3 tools are part of active listening. So the first thing we find in the room is a large mirror, and this mirror is called reflection. So what does the coach reflect to the coachee, and why? Well, the coachee can look in this mirror of reflection to know themselves better and to understand themselves better. So the coach reflects the words that the coachee says, and we do this by reformulating what we've heard and using our own words. But you can also use the same words that the coachee has used, and if you want to underline a special word in particular, you can do this. For example, if the coachee says, "I'm dreading this weekend, it's going to be a disaster," then you can invite the coachee to go deeper by simply saying, "Disaster." And the coach also reflects the body language, the gestures of the coachee, a smile, a frown, a laugh, and we reflect the emotion of the coachee, but not for anger or for fear. For these negative emotions, then we just show empathy. Another thing that we can find in our room is a magnifying glass, and this is called observation. So the coach shares what she observes in the words of the coachee, in the intonation of the coachee. For example, this situation is really making you angry. It looks as though it was a wonderful experience for you. And we share what we observe in the coachee. When you started to speak about the second option, I saw a real increase in your energy. When you started to speak about your sister, I noticed you sigh. I see that you're really grateful. Our third tool is silence. And this gives the coachee time to think. Also, if the coachee is a Christian, it gives the Holy Spirit the possibility of speaking to the coachee. And silence shows that we're not in a hurry and that we're at peace. So there you are, 3 tools of active listening to use in the coaching room.